Welcome back to Pod Speak English, the podcast where we help you conquer the world of English. I'm John.
And I'm Erica. John, are you ready to give our listeners the ultimate fluency blueprint today?
Absolutely. If you've ever thought, how can I get fluent in English quickly? You're in the right place. By the end of this episode, you'll have everything you need to boost your English skills in just 30 days.
That's right. Today's episode is packed with practical tips, fun exercises, personal stories, and even a 30-day action plan to help you practice consistently.
So grab your headphones, your notebook, and maybe a cup of coffee, and let's dive into the world of English fluency.
Let's start with the basics. John, what does it mean to be fluent in English?
Great question, Erica. Fluency doesn't mean knowing every word in the dictionary or having perfect grammar. It's about being able to communicate your thoughts clearly and confidently without too much hesitation.
Exactly. Think of fluency like driving a car. You might not know every street, but you can get to your destination smoothly. And the key to fluency is consistent practice.
Here's a quick exercise for our listeners. Take a moment and think of 3 sentences to describe your day in English. It's okay if it's simple. For example, I had coffee. I worked on my project. I went for a walk. The goal is to get comfortable expressing yourself.
Great start, John. Now let's break fluency into manageable steps.
We've created a 30-day plan to help you practice every aspect of English: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Erica, what's step 1?
Step 1 is immersion. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone's language to English. Switch to English subtitles when watching shows, and listen to English podcasts or music every day.
Yes. Listening is critical. I remember when I started learning Spanish, I listened to Spanish radio while driving. At first it was just noise, but over time my brain started recognizing words and phrases.
That's a great point, John. And for step 2, start a vocabulary journal. Every day, write down 5 new words or phrases you encounter. Write their meanings, an example sentence, and practice using them throughout the day.
Exactly. Step 3 is all about speaking daily, even if you're just talking to yourself. Look in the mirror and describe what you see. Or try narrating your actions like, I'm making coffee, or I'm brushing my teeth. It might feel silly, but it works.
And don't forget step 4, short conversations. Find a language partner online or speak to a friend who knows English. Apps like Hello Talk or Tandem can connect you with native speakers.
Step 5, practice reading and writing. Read news articles, short stories, or even comic books in English. For writing, start with simple diary entries like, today was a sunny day, I went to the park.
Now let's focus on speaking, which is often the hardest part for learners. John, do you remember the first time you had to speak English?
Oh, absolutely. It was nerve-wracking. I kept thinking, what if I mess up? But here's the thing, nobody cares about your mistakes as much as you do. People appreciate the effort.
That's so true. One effective technique is shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately. This helps with pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm.
Another tip is to imitate accents or phrases you hear in movies or shows. Pick a character you like and try to sound like them. It's fun and improves your confidence.
And don't forget to record yourself speaking. Play it back and listen for areas to improve. It's like having a personal coach in your pocket.
Let's talk about challenges, Erica. Many learners struggle with confidence or fear of making mistakes.
Absolutely. Here's a tip. Reframe your mindset. Instead of fearing mistakes, see them as opportunities to learn. For example, when I learned French, I once told someone I was pregnant instead of excited. But I'll never forget that word again.
That's hilarious and so relatable. Another challenge is understanding fast speech. If this happens, focus on key words. Instead of catching every word, listen for the main idea.
Also, don't be afraid to ask, could you repeat that? Or what does that mean? Most people are happy to help.
Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Erica, what's your favorite fun activity for practicing English?
I love playing word games like Scrabble or doing crossword puzzles. It's a great way to build vocabulary while having fun.
For me, it's watching stand-up comedy. It's a goldmine for learning slang and cultural references. Plus, laughing makes learning enjoyable.
That's brilliant. And if you love music, try singing along to your favorite English songs. Karaoke is a fantastic way to practice pronunciation.
Another idea is storytelling. Make up a short story and share it with someone. It doesn't have to be perfect, just have fun with it.
All right, listeners, let's practice a short speech together. I'll say it first and you can repeat after me. Good morning, everyone. My name is Erica. I'm learning English to improve my communication skills. Please repeat, I'm learning English to improve my communication skills. I enjoy reading, listening to music, and watching movies in English. Every day I practice speaking and I'm getting better step by step. Thank you for listening.
That was awesome, Erica. Now let's try a slightly longer version. Ready? Repeat after me. Hello, my name is John. I started learning English because it's the global language for communication. Please repeat. I started learning English because it's the global language for communication. I love watching English movies and reading books. Every day I set aside time to practice speaking and writing. I believe consistency is the key to success. Thank you for your attention. We've covered a lot today: immersion, vocabulary, speaking, listening, reading, writing, shadowing, and overcoming challenges.
Remember, fluency isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Celebrate your small wins, like learning a new word or completing a conversation in English.
Exactly. And don't forget, practice makes permanent. Stick to your 30-day plan and you'll be amazed at how much you improve.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to Pod Speak English for more lessons and tips. And let us know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge with learning English?
Thanks for listening, and until next time, keep practicing and have fun with English. This is John signing off. Have a great day.
This is Erica signing off. See you in the next podcast. Bye for now.